Hey folks, my name is Ashok Joshi. Welcome to AJ Media YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Mkdir command. So before starting the video, just like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Now let's start the video. Now what is Mkdir command? So Mkdir command stands for make directory. So what does it do? So Mkdir command in Linux allows user to create directories. So these directories are often referred to as folder in some operating systems like Windows. We use it, right, where we create multiple folders. So you might be knowing about folders in Windows, right? So the same thing applies here. We call it as directories, nothing fancy here. So you can make use of Mkdir command to create a directory, a single directory, or you can create multiple directories. So let's look at the syntax of how we write Mkdir command. The syntax is very straightforward. So we will just write Mkdir, and after this we will give options, and after this you will write directory name. Okay. So it can be a directory or it can be directories name. So there can be multiple directories. So this is how the syntax looks like. Let me erase this thing. So if you want to see the version of Mkdir command, basically it will display the version. So you can write this Mkdir -- version. You'll come to know the version. So currently it's 8.22. Okay. It's written by David Mackenzie. Alright, so let's see what do we have here. So if I list, I do not have anything much. So what I will do is I will try to create a directory. So if you want to create a directory, you can make use of this Mkdir command, and whatever the directory you want to create, or you want to create a new directory, you can just write the directory name. So here what I will do is I will just write test. So after hitting enter, and if I list, I should see test here. So you can see here we created this directory. Okay. Alright, so if you want to create multiple directories here, you can make use of Mkdir command. So what you can do here is you can write Mkdir and test1, test2, test3. So we had only test here. Now apart from this test, we will also get this test1, test2, test3 directories or folders, you can say. Hit enter, and after this if you list, you will get all these three: test1, test2, test3. Cool. So that's how you can make use of this Mkdir command to create a particular directory, or you can also create multiple directories as well. Alright, so now let me show you an important option, which is -p. So you can write -p, or you can also write -- parents. Why do we use this option? Because now what I want to show you is I want to create a directory which will be a parent directory. Inside this I will create another subdirectory. Inside the subdirectory I want to create multiple other directories as well. Okay, so let me show you what do I mean by that. You see, we have this -- parents. At the first, of course, we have to give Mkdir. So here this thing is an option. You can also write -p as well, but I am writing -- parents. So now what I want to do here is I want to create a directory which will be my parent directory. So what I will do here is, let's say I want to create a parent directory. What I will do is I will just give a directory name as college. So this is my parent directory. Inside this, what I will do is I will create a subdirectory. Let's say it can be a branch that is available inside this college. What I will do is I will write engineering. Cool. So this is the subdirectory, and this is the parent directory. The parent directory is college here, and the subdirectory will be engineering. Now inside this engineering, we have multiple branches. Okay. So what do we do is we create multiple folders or directories under this engineering. So what I will do here is I will write /, and what I will do is I will use this curly braces, and here what I will do is, let's say I write computer science, and we have mechanical, we have civil, we have petroleum. Okay, so that's enough. And if I hit enter, now let me show you the directory structure, how it was created here after executing this particular command. Now let me see, what do we have? ls. So if I do ls, I can see I have test, test2, test1, test3. So I also created this college here, right? So you can see this is my parent directory. Okay, so we have this college. Inside this college I should see engineering. Let's see what do we have here. So if I go to cd and college, and if I do ls, I should see this engineering, right? So inside college we have engineering as a course, and in what branch do we have engineering? So let's see, cd engineering, hit ls, and you can see here inside this engineering we created multiple folders like civil, computer science, mechanical, petroleum, right? So that's how you can make use of this hyphen parents. Now let me show you how we can make use of -p. Okay, so the same thing I will be demonstrating here. Okay, so this thing I will be demonstrating using -p command. Let me go back. If I do ls, and let me remove this college. Don't worry about this rm-rf. I will be covering this. Let me clear the screen first. Alright, so let me show you something which is called as -p. This is the short form of the parents that we wrote, parents. And after this what I will do is I will show you another thing which is -v. This is basically called as verbose. And what does this do? It displays a message for every directory created, okay, so that you can come to know what happened after this particular command got executed. I will show you what do I mean by that. So here we have mkdir-p-v, and now let's write the directory structure. So we will write college. Inside college we had engineering, and inside engineering we had computer science, civil, mechanical, petroleum. Yeah, so one more thing, please do notice here, do not give space here. Okay, so if you will give space, the directory name will not be accurate. There might be chances where the directory will start with curly braces, so do not give space here, okay, after comma. And now if I hit enter, you can see here we are getting a message. So what happened was mkdir command, it got executed and created a directory which is called as college. Now after this what happened was mkdir created directory college-engineering. After this we got computer science created, inside engineering, civil, mechanical, and same goes for petroleum, which was created, right? So this is how you can come to know like what happened in a particular command using this -v, which is verbose. Okay, so that's how you can make use of mkdir command, and I hope you guys have gained some knowledge in this video. So if you want to learn more about mkdir command, you can use man pages, and here you can see it stands for make directories, and this is how the syntax looks like. I think we have discussed about it, -m, p, v, and so on, right? It was written by David Mackenzie, and yeah, so hit Q to quit. So that's it about mkdir command. There is nothing much to be explained about this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, gained some knowledge. Hit that like button if you like this video, share it with your friends if you think that this video will be helpful for them. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.